compound interest rate. $16,000 invested for 6 years grew to a future value of $21,440. If the interest was compounded annually, find the interest rate per annum. So there's a lot of stuff going on here, so we really need to break it down. So we're going to break it down into the parts that I know. So I know that the present value is $16,000 because that's what I started with. And the future value, I'm told, is $21,440. And the interest was compounded annually, and it was compounded for 6 years. So that means my time periods is 6. So I'm going to use my future value or my compound interest formula. Future value equals present value 1 plus r to the n, where n is my time periods. So now I'm going to substitute the information in. So 21,440 is my future value. My present value is 16,000. And it is 1 plus r, which I'm trying to find, and n to the power of 6. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to divide both sides by 16,000. So if I do that, I get 21,440 over, that is a 4, 16,000 equals 1 plus r to the power of 6. And so now what I need to do is I need to get rid of this power of 6. And to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 6th root of the other side. So if I was to write this round the other way, 1 plus r equals, now the 6th root is a square root sign with a 6 up here. So when you use your calculator, you need to look out for the button that is like a square root button, but it has another square sitting up here. So what I need to do now is pick up my calculator and to work that out. So I get 1 plus r equals, and your calculator gives you 1.04998, etc. I want r by itself, so I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. So I get r equals 0.04998, etc. Now r is my interest rate, and normally my interest rate, I write it as r over 100 when I'm doing the substitution. So really this is r over 100. So what I need to do is multiply both sides by 100. And I get r to be 4.998%, which to the nearest whole number is 5%. Thanks for listening.